The simulation is now ready to run. Scroll down to the Simulate option under the Simulate section of the Assistant. You have the option of running the simulation in the foreground or background of your session, and on a local or a remote computer. The available location options are: Local Interactive, where the simulation is executed on your local computer. The user interface is locked while the simulation is in progress. The second option is Local Non-Interactive, wherein the simulation is executed as a background process on your computer, and the user interface is available to the user to work on, while the simulation is in progress. The third option is the Cloud Compute option, where the simulation is executed on the cloud, based on the tokens or credits purchased by you or your organization. Select Local Interactive, under the Location option in the simulation window. Accept the other default settings. Click OK. The simulation dialog box appears showing the status of the simulation. Click Close when the simulation is complete. A green circle appears next to the Results section of the Assistant, once the simulation run is successful. This implies that the results of the simulation are now available to view. Use the Plot menu to select and view the von Mises stress results from the Plot window. Hover your mouse cursor over the different locations on the model, to view the local stress distribution magnitude at that location. To view the regions of global maximum and minimum stress magnitudes over the model, scroll down to the Show Min/Max Values option under the Results section of the Assistant. You can observe that the maximum stress is observed in the lower right region of the bracket model. The global minimum stress occurs at the lower left region of the model. Click on the Hide Max or Min Values and Close option in the Context toolbar to close the Max-Min display. Next, select Displacement from the Plot menu drop-down to view the displacement results. Displacement shows how far the part has moved from its original shape, under the effect of an external load. Hover your mouse over the model to view the local displacement values. Let us animate the displacement results to see how the part moves when experiencing the applied loads. To do so, click on Play Animation under the Results section of the Assistant. This can also be done by clicking the Play button on the compass. This activates the Player section of the action bar. It consists of several options such as play forward, rewind, playing in a loop, exporting the animation, etc. To change the playback speed of the animation, click on Options under the Player tab on the action bar, and modify the number of frames. A video of this animation can be saved using the Save Video option in the Animation Property Manager. Replay the animation with the modified playback rate. The animation can be stopped by re-clicking the play button on the compass. The user can also click the Exit button to exit the animation mode. To view and save the simulation report, click on the Report option under Results. Select the type of report, the sections and results that you wish to see in the report, and click OK. View and save or close the simulation report. To save your simulation setup and results, use the menu on the top right of the simulation application window and click on Save. This saves your simulation to the collaborative space on the 3D Experience platform, from where it can be accessed at any time and shared with your peers. In the next lesson we will learn how to set up, run and post-process a linear static structural simulation on an assembly.